How can I help you?
Hi, I am Maria. I called you yesterday.
Oh, you are our new housemate. Come in, please. Jennifer, this is Maria. She is our new housemate. Nice to meet you, Jennifer.
Nice to meet you too. Sit down and have a drink.
Thank you.
Are you a first-year student? You look so young.
Yes. What about you?
Both Jennifer and I are third-year students. We have been living here for 2 years. How was your first day at university?
It was so interesting. I made many friends.
Are you going to join any clubs at university?
I am thinking about that.
Let me take you to your room. It is upstairs.
Thanks.
This is your room. You can put your clothes in this wardrobe.
Where is the washing machine, Jennifer?
I have some dirty clothes. It is over there. I will show you after dinner.
Okay.
So let's go downstairs and have dinner. Emily is waiting for us. Have a seat, Maria. Make yourself at home and enjoy the food. I guess you must be hungry after a long day. Are you going to raise any pets in this house?
Oh, no. I am allergic to animal fur.
Me too. I hate animals. They are so dirty. Do you like running?
Of course. It is good for our health.
Jennifer and I often go running in the morning. Sometimes she is lazy and I have to run alone. It is not my fault. The weather is so cold.
We will run together tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. I do not need you anymore, Jennifer.
Hi, Jenny. Why are you sitting here? You look pretty sad.
I think my classmates look down on me because my latest exam results are really bad.
Don't keep that thought. You have your own talents to prove that you are much better than anyone else.
Thank you for cheering me up, but I don't think I have anything special.
Come on. If you keep being pathetic, you will never improve yourself. Let's eat ice cream.
I've heard that you went to the hospital yesterday, Tom.
That's right. I have to go on a regular health condition checkup. Do you know which part of it makes me scared most?
Which one?
That was when the nurse picked my arm with the needle. I was so frightened that I had to look away.
Haha, I won't react like that if I were you.
How long have you been in Hanoi? I've lived there for about 5 years. I look on the city as my home. I really love the people and the scenery there. Yeah, I know. Me too. I really enjoy the beauty of the sunset when wandering around Hongqin Lake.
What are you doing, Katie? I'm looking through my notes before the exam. Seems like a lot, huh? Yeah, but I learned by heart all of them, so it doesn't take a lot of time to revise. Good student. I guess you always get the highest score in your class, and everybody looks up to you. Not really. I just try my best to improve myself day by day.
Why are you late?
On my way home, I saw a large crowd looking on as a street band was playing my favorite song, so I stopped and enjoyed it. I have to go to the market now. Look out for Anna while you're there, okay?
Okay, Mom.